from CMR College of Engineering and Technology. We are Team 10. We done a project, automatic conversion system, and myself Vinay. My teammates are Sagrita, Santosh, Sriman, Siddhartha, Nitin, Mahesh.
The next statement of our project is the efficiency growth of plants and other hybrid plant soil must be wet and convenient to the plants to grow. So soil is monitored with the soil humidity sensor. Convenient temperature is required for growth of plants, and also temperature should monitor for varying of different temperature conditions in a greenhouse. Which temperature water should be sprinkled for balancing the temperature conditions in the greenhouse in greens.
Santosh, and our project is automatic conservatory system, and I am explaining the existing drawbacks of the greenhouse farming. It requires high upfront and operating expenses. It requires to eliminate any pest or diseases in order to make sure that conducive crop product is get eliminated and food pollination take place in greenhouse farming.
Myself Mahesh, I am explaining about methodology. The heart of the system is an Arduino development board that uses to AML 80 Mega 328P microprocessor. It has inputs and output pins and 14 digital input and output pins. The utilized soil moisture sensor is capacitive sensor in place. Resistive type is more reliable accepts. DHT2 sensor is used to determine the humidity and temperature conditions. All the collected data is processed by MPU microprocessor unit and is compared to the control reference. The MPU makes required and necessary changes to maintain the environment in the house, etc.
Hi, this is Sriman. My project is automatic conservatory system. Components are used SMBS, tank, inlet 1, inlet 2, Arduino, RTC, soil moisture sensor, humidity sensor, relay modules, LCD, LCD2, LCD1.
Myself, I am Siddhartha. I am explaining about working of our project automatic conservatory system. Here we have SMPS, switch mode power supply. Through switch mode power supply, the current will passes through the relay module. Through the relay module, it supply passes through the Arduino. Through the Arduino, the supply is separated to the all components and temperature sensors and humidity sensor. Here we have two sensor, humidity sensor and temperature, soil moisture sensor and temperature sensor. Temperature sensor, it can sense the temperature and humidity, and it can show the temperature in LCD display. And soil moisture sensor also same as temperature sensor. It can sense the soil, it can moisture, and it can shows the temperature in LCD display. This is RTC. The motor runs as per the time by using the RTC real time clock. For example, it can, because of RTC, the motor runs wisely according to the requirements.
This is Nitin, and my project is automatically conservatory system. The advantage of the project is automatically all process to require the human errors and improve the efficiency of the system. Is very useful to maintaining in multiple systems in greenhouses. Otherwise, it required the more manpower. Utilizing in this project, we are utilizing the real-time clock. Helps to the keeping the recording of the time and to pre-schedule the events to repeat the schedule to give the water to the plants. And there is no dead plants in the greenhouse by using this project.
For this project, it is high efficient system, less manpower required. So soil humidity will be always favorable to the plant's condition all the time. Highly secure system.
Conclusion of the project. In this project, the soil is measured time to time. The soil and moisture sensor is kept in the favorable condition. Plants and temperatures to maintain, and the greenhouse temperature to get ambient temperature, and the humidity of the plants is grow up efficiently. And hand feeding is water using of RTC to set up the sprinkle of the water security, and greenhouse is efficient.